Hey guys, welcome to Laratips. I know it's been a very long time that I haven't published any videos, but it was due to some work that I need to do and I have been very busy doing some work. Because of that, I haven't been able to upload some videos, but today I have got a very nice deal for you guys. So that's why I am making this video. Also in this video, I'll show you how to upload a Laravel project on the Cloudways server. And there is a new dashboard in the Cloudways server, and I'll show you how to do that. Also, I'll show you how to enable Redis cache over here, and it's very easy. So let's get started. So currently you are getting 40% off. I'll give you a link, and if you click that, you will go over here and you will get 40% off for 4 months, and 40 migrations is also free, and you can also see all the other benefits. So go ahead guys and grab it fast. So after you register, so let me log in. Okay, so I have already created an account, so I have to log in over here. So I'm logging in. After we log in, we can see the new dashboard over here. If you don't see, then it will show you pop up to show the new dashboard. So just click on it and you'll see the new dashboard. So you can see the new dashboard over here. Just click on launch now. So you will not see that recover this button because I have created and tested other servers before. So I'll just click on launch now, and you can also do that. So now we'll say here, we can see Laravel over here. Just click on that and let's say Laratips. Okay, and here also I'll do Laratips, and you can see here we can use DigitalOcean or any other these servers. Then just click on the 4GB version. It is very good, and click the location that is nearest to your location. So here now you can see all the charges over here, and click on launch now. So after this, let me just close this. Okay, so here it is showing me this. Now you can see here total servers, it is 1. So if I just go over here, then you can see here it will take approximately 7 minutes in order to set up the server for us, and it will set up everything that is required for our Laravel application to work. Okay, as you can see here, the server is now set up. It took almost about 6.5 minutes to set up this server. So now let me click on this, and you can see here all the server credentials is over here, and you can directly SSH into the server using this. So first of all, let us go to the application over here, Laravel application, and let us see over here the deployment via Git. I have already set up an application, so let us deploy that. So the application is over here, this Laravel 10, and you can see the Laravel application. So now here, let us go over here and generate the SSH key. So we can see this, and let me just copy this and go on the project, on the settings, go on the deploy keys, and let me add a deploy key over here, and let's say Laratips Cloudways, and then allow write access and add key. So I have set up the two-step authentication, so it is asking me for the key. Let me just quickly add it. Now the key has been created, and let me go back to the project and just copy this from here, and again go here and cancel, and then here git remote. Let us add this over here and click on authenticate. If you don't add that SSH key, then it will not be able to authenticate. So it has been authenticated successfully. Now we can just see here it is showing me all the branches. So currently I have only one branch, so it is showing main. So I'll click on it and just keep it the default one, and click on start deployment. So you can see here deployment is in progress, so it will take some time for the first deployment. You can see here repository is cloned and already added to our this server. And also let me show you this. So let me just click on over here, and by default it is showing this. Okay, so now let me go over here and on the application and on the launch SSH terminal. So for this you need to click on advanced and continue. Okay, it will show us this screen. Now we have to just copy this and paste the username over here, and we also have a password over here. Just copy it and paste it and hit enter. Now we can share. If we do ls, then it will show us this. So cd applications, and if we do cd, so this path, so we have only one application, so the name is this one. It is the randomly generated by Cloudways. So if we do again ls, then we need to go inside this public HTML. So inside this you will see the Laravel code that we are familiar with. So for the first time we need to run some code. So we'll say composer update, So Composer has been updated successfully. Now I have already created migrations and shaders that I need to run. For that, let us do vi.env. Let us edit the .env file. And if you see here, over here, this is the database again. So we'll go over here. And now let us go to the applications. And on the access detail, we have this database username and password. So here, this is the database name. So we'll just go here on the database name. We'll paste that on the username. Also we'll paste the same thing, and the password is this, and I'll copy this and paste it on the password, and I'll press escape key colon WQ, you can see here at the bottom, and hit enter. Then it will save. Now I can do PHP Attribution migrate stress, you can see here. Now it has migrated all the databases, and now I'll say PHP Artisan DB seed. You can directly run seed here also. Now it will take some time to seed the data because I have seeded a lot of data, and I'll come back after the data has been seeded. The database has been completely seeded, and now let me go to this site over here. So if I refresh, then you can see here it is showing me this posts over here. I have also installed debug bar, so let me enable that for now, just to see the metrics. So here, let me paste it, this code. If you hit I, then it will enable the insert mode, and then we can insert this, okay, by hitting Ctrl V or Command V. Now I have saved it, and let me go over here and refresh, and you can see here this debug bar over here, and you can see here we are showing the user and the number of posts the user have. We have only 10 users over here, so we are showing that, and the latest 10 posts of each and every users that we are showing over here. And here you can see we are running 2 queries, and it is taking some time, okay. So first time it will take about 200 to 300 milliseconds, but I refreshed it twice, so it is taking it from the internal MySQL cache. But now here we'll use the Redis cache. So for that, let us go over here on the Cloudways, and on the terminal, and let's edit the .env file. And if you see over here cache driver, it is file over here, so hit I and then edit it Redis like this, and you will save it. After that, let me go over here and again refresh it over here. Then you can see here it is using 47 milliseconds of time, okay, and again 2 queries are being shown, and the code is like this. But now let us use this version, okay. So here I will just comment this out and uncomment another code, and here let me say use the cache and push it to the GitHub on the main branch. After it is being pushed, then we can again go over here, and on the deployment via Git we can just do pull. So deployment has been done, and now let me go over here and again refresh. So on the first refresh it will show the 2 queries over here, and you can see the time over here 60 milliseconds. But if I again refresh, then you can see the 0 queries and we only have 41 milliseconds, and this will save a lot of resources on our server. And by default Redis is always enabled on the Cloudways server, so we don't have to do any setup. So if you go over here on the application settings, you can see so many settings over here. Also now let me go to the server, and then on the settings and packages you can see here basics, advanced, and also we have this managed services. Under here we can see Redis. So if we just go over here and see here, you can stop it or restart it. And not only Redis, we also have Varnish. So there is a server level caching as well, so it will make our servers very fast. So I hope this was very useful for you guys, and don't forget to click on the link that I have pasted on the description, because you will get 40% discount for 4 months, and also 40 migrations are also free. So enjoy, have a great day, bye.